Hi, my name is Kalina, and today I will show you how to streamline workflow by sending chat messages to your contacts from your LyfQuest platform using autoresponders.
Responders offer the primary benefits: the ability to create program automation, productivity, availability, and reliability to scale your performance. Dynamic professionals who just wear multiple hats. You can manage all of your callings under one brand with its separate purpose and branding by dripping calculated content, creating client engagement and retention. In addition, provide exclusive access to content in private member areas. So starting from the left navigation menu, you'll select Responders. When selected, you will be presented with the Responders page. Now, Responders, again, allow you to send messages, tasks, and resource suggestions to your contacts automatically on a schedule you choose. From here, you would select Add Responder. For this demo, we are going to complete and work through a completed series of responders. So again, from here, you would select Add Responder. The responder page opens. The page allows you to title the responder, select whether it will be sent to all contacts or to a particular business unit group. Now, to learn more about setting up your business unit, see the tutorial titled Adding Business Units. Once selected, choose Save. From here, you can now add a message, a task, and a resource or a resource. Now, for a message, you'll select Add Message. You'll add your message, add the day you want the message to be sent after the contacts opt in or are added to the series. And then note the ability to add attachments from your computer, from the resource page or from the computer. And or from the resource page. Now, it is important to note that resources are assigned to a particular business unit. It is important to ensure that your contacts are assigned to that business unit if we are going to assign and send them resources throughout their time within this program automation. If they are not, please ensure that your contacts are assigned to the business unit that you want these resources to be received or to be sent to. Now, it is important to note that we recommend that you have your various resources branded and uploaded to the resource page or prepared in advance when you upload them directly to your computer, especially when you are attaching them to a scheduled responder. There is no size limit or limitation on the type of files that you can load. However, the larger the file, the longer it may take to load, and you can attach several items at a time if you desire. If you have added a resource inappropriately to a scheduled message, you can simply hit clear. Clients will receive your message on their chat page or chat screen.
Thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials on how you can set up your successful LyfQuest platform.